If you're thinking about upgrading your Hyundai Sonata without spending a fortune, this Android system is a really good option. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka. Here I'm showing how I installed this 9-inch touchscreen with Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. It comes with all the main cables and accessories, but if you want to keep using your car's original rear camera like I did, there's one extra adapter you'll need. So I'm showing everything that came in the box, and the small additional part I had to get to make it all work together. The box comes with everything you need, the main system with all the wiring, installation tools, the rear camera, and the GPS module that connects right into the unit. Everything is nicely packed and labeled so you can get a clear idea of how it all fits together before starting. Once that's done, here's where the real work begins. With a bit of teamwork, my brother and my husband helping out, we started removing the original frame from the dashboard to fit this new system in place. It takes some time to figure out how each part comes apart, because the whole radio assembly has to come out before the new screen can go in. So here you can see the full process in fast motion, all the wiring, the adjustments, and the installation step by step, until it finally starts looking like a brand new setup. As I mentioned, this isn't a tutorial, and it's just a quick demo of how we went through the whole process. It actually took us quite a few hours, and we had to stop halfway. We installed the main system, but before closing everything back up, we needed to test that all the features were working. The radio, the screen, and especially the rear camera. We were testing it in my Hyundai Sonata 2014 GLS, and realized that to keep the original factory camera working, we needed one extra part like the 16-pin car parking reverse backup camera video cable adapter plug for Hyundai/Kia. With that adapter, we didn't need to install the new backup camera that came with the system. It allowed us to reuse the car's original one perfectly, saving a lot of time, and keeping the setup just the way I wanted. Once we added that, everything started to come together beautifully. After realizing we needed that extra cable, we had to pause the installation for a couple of days. I ordered the adapter and it arrived 2 days later. Once it was connected, we set everything back temporarily to test it. The system powered on perfectly, and when we shifted into reverse, the rear camera came on, but the image was completely distorted. So once again, ChatGPT came to the rescue. With a few quick adjustments in the settings, the picture turned clear and crisp. And then we moved on to the next step, setting up the steering wheel controls so I could use the buttons from the car instead of the stereo. ChatGPT guided us through that too, showing exactly how to match each button with the new system. Now everything works smoothly. The camera, the sound, the steering controls, and even the connection with Spotify and phone calls. For a 2014 Hyundai Sonata, this upgrade truly feels like driving a brand new car. In the end, it took some time and a few extra steps, but it was absolutely worth it. The new Android system completely transformed the interior of my Hyundai Sonata. It looks modern, works perfectly, and makes every drive so much easier and more enjoyable. From navigation to music and calls, everything is right at your fingertips. I appreciate you being here with me. If you want to stick around for more, go ahead and subscribe and maybe leave a like or share if you feel like it. And if you want to check out the product, the link will be down in the description. See you in the next one.